Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Sony HT-S20R. This is 5.1 channel soundbar, 400 watts. This soundbar can connect it to your TV via Bluetooth, optical cable and HDMI. It's with wired subwoofer and 2 rear speakers. This soundbar will help you to lose yourself in a cinema style day. So this will help you to take match days, movie nights up a gear with Sony HT-S20R. It features a wired subwoofer that adds tension with crystal clear low frequency sound. Unwind with your go-to playlist. The Sony HT-20R isn't just great home cinema setup. It is also a great sound system for your music, just like your phone. Connect it to your phone via Bluetooth and control your music from anywhere in your room. A USB port too, if you like to keep a few favorite music on your memory card. Simply plug in and play. Preset equalizer mode to suit you. So you have preset mode to suit you. Whatever you watch or listening to, Sony HT-20R 5.1 soundbar deliver the perfect sound balance with preset modes include cinema, music and voice. You can hear the finer details in the stringing movie scene or concept albums. Audio processing Dolby Digital, Dolby Dual Mono, LPCM 2-chan, LPCM FX. Supported audio WAV, MP3, MWA, SBC. So we're going to check this stuff out and see what is inside. I hope it helps you to make informed choice. So this is the power cable, optical cable, remote control, AAA battery, information pack, this is the subwoofer, and the soundbar. See what it looks like. Brilliant subwoofer. Nice. Look at that. This is what it looks like. So the front got metal grille, the top is wood, and the rear is plastic. You have center speaker here and on this side. The rear speaker. This is the rear speaker, a metal grey in front of it. The back is plastic. This is the second one. There we go. See what it looks like. Metal grey in front. Speaker got blue color, and this one got grey color. So this is the soundbar here, and what is included: optical cable, battery, remote control, power cable, and this soundbar, the cables is attached to it. It hasn't got any power cable, so the power cable, only one power cable is for the subwoofer. So the soundbar needs to be connected here, and the rear speakers. See what it looks like. Now to measure this from this end to this end is 76 centimeter, and this is 9 centimeter. The subwoofer from the bottom to the top is 39 centimeter. From the front to the back, 34 centimeter. And this is 19 centimeter. At the back of the subwoofer, the ports are optical. The first on the right, HDMI out, TV, ARC on the center one, analog, aux is on the left side. So the ports are on top at the back of the subwoofer. Now to set this up, what you need to do is you need to take the power cable, so connect it to the subwoofer, push it in, then plug it on to the power. Then take the cable from the soundbar. So we got 3 cables here: red, white, and green. You will see front, center. So you take the soundbar cable, red, take the red one to the red color, push it in, then take the white to the white color, then take green to the green color. This is front. Now take the rear speakers, take the blue color and connect it to the blue. Take this color with grayish colored one and connect it to the gray, and this in. So you need to make sure that the cables are connected properly. So the red one goes to the red, white goes to the white color, green color goes to the green for this soundbar. Then for the 2 rear speaker, left channel and right channel. So the front you have right and left channel, is the center. So this is how to set this up. Now the next thing is for you to take the remote control, push this down to open it up. So take negative goes to the bottom on the right side, negative goes on top, and the positive on the bottom. Then on the left side, positive on the top and negative on the bottom. Then slide this cover back up. And it's in. If you look on this subwoofer, you switch this soundbar and subwoofer on from this button, and this button is the input. This is the Bluetooth button, and this button to decrease the volume, and the plus is for you to increase the volume. You just need to tap on it and it's showing us standby USB stick. This is the USB port. So with this remote control, so if you select, switch this on, and once you switch it on, it will ask you to wait. I'm going to show you how to set this up with your phone using aux or analog. So if you go at the back, you take the aux cable, connect it to analog in, push it inside, then take the other part of the cable, hook it up to your phone, then switch the soundbar on, and it's on. It will tell you please wait. Then the next thing you need to do, you need to select the input to analog, showing us BT, USB, TV, analog. So you need to make sure it's in analog. Then go to your mobile phone and select audio you have on your mobile phone. Here we go. Show me how you get on down. Close my eyes, take me for a ride. If we remove it now, the audio will no longer be playing. So this is how to hook this up. Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Oh girl, nah, nah. Oh girl, nah, nah. Baby girl. Light me up, don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down. Analog. Take me for a ride. Analog. So come and light me up. Come on and ride.
Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today will be a good day. Okay, I know that today will be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Drink some water, brush my teeth, get out of bed and I stretch. Bed in my hair is a mess. Look through my clothes for a fit. Anything I do is drip. Feel like a kid when I'm tick-tocking, I still keep it real as it is. I show my age, I don't switch often, I'm just as a dad as it gets. Try taking naps with my kids, talking, I'm guessing this life how it is. And I can't wait for the weekend, keep jammies on like I'm a kid. Yeah. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today will be a good day. Okay, I know that today will be a good day. Feel good, feel great, can't complain. Look out my window, see birds and planes. Sun's out, some clouds, it might rain. Siblings on my nerves again. Summertime, go for a swim. Wintertime, go grab a sled. Spring, I might need an umbrella. Fall back in school with my friends. Attitude change like the weather. My mom tell me it never ends. Like clocks, we evolve in a circle. Every 12 months we do it again. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face.
Thank you very much indeed, guys. This is how to connect this with your mobile phone via analog or aux connection. If you're happy with this, please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. This soundbar deserves your attention. It's value for money. I'm happy with this soundbar. Thank you very much indeed and stay blessed. Thank you.